Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priya Rathi and today I am going to talk about the topic that is chronic knee pain and its non-surgical management. Knee pain affects many of us. It can happen either because of tendon injuries or meniscal injury or ligamentous injury or simply degenerative changes in the knee joint. Knee pain affects those who have either active lifestyle or those who have sedentary lifestyle also. So it's that common. The non-surgical treatment of knee pain includes medicine and physiotherapy in acute stages. But if patient does not respond to medicines and physiotherapy, these are the patients who should see pain specialist. We at Sigma Spine and Pain Clinic, Baner, Pune, try to treat with non-surgical treatments like knee injections, either steroid injections or hyaluronic acid injections, which is the viscous supplementation in the knee joint. Other treatment options include pulse radiofrequency, wherein specialized needles are being put around the nerve and temperature of around 42 degrees Celsius is being created and the pain sensations are being stunned. So, these patients feel less pain and this treatment is followed up with muscle treatment, that is ultrasound guided dry needling, wherein we put hair thin needles into the muscles which are in spasm. Other treatment options include platelet rich plasma. This is the regenerative therapy wherein we take out 30 ml of patient's blood, we centrifuge it in special machine, and what supernatant is left, this test tube, that is 3 ml of platelet rich plasma, is injected into patient's knee, and this treatment helps in regenerating first two stages of the knee osteoarthritis or some ligamentous injury. The other treatment options could be cooled radiofrequency ablation. Here, radiofrequency ablation is being performed with specialized needles. Here, temperature of around 60 to 76 degrees Celsius is being created to burn the nerves. This helps in reducing the pain in advanced stages of osteoarthritis. Along with these treatment options, patients are encouraged to continue with their exercises. Vitamin corrections is being done and patient is advised to maintain healthy lifestyle. If you are dealing with knee pain, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.